came out here, we cleared a lot of brush from the range line. This is the rear range, and we cleared it from the front range to the rear range. The tools we use to clear a range are brush cutters, chainsaws. We have a bobcat with a brush hog on it, and just manual labor. This area to navigation is pretty isolated. It's on land. It's out in the middle of nowhere, really, and it's still important. You know, you don't see range markers on land very easily from the water, and that's why we have to keep them clear and free. But usually we come out to these isolated ranges. While we're out working our AOR, we'll look at all of our aids, and then we'll make a trip back out. We'll come cut some overgrown brush or maintain it. They should make 8 ton a rate. That'd be great. I'd probably stay in for 40 years if that was the case. I really enjoyed my time at Ant Station. It's real hard work, and I really enjoy that nitty-gritty part of the Coast Guard.